Everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Me. Today I'm gonna make me a mango float. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna need it. I got one here, it's already chilled. I put it in the refrigerator for overnight. I got me here mangoes. I got me here vanilla pudding. I use a vanilla pudding para yung ano niya maging thicker yung sauce niya para hindi siya magiging watery. So I'm gonna use this vanilla pudding. I put a little bit of it. And I got me a graham cracker. For your information everyone, sa Pilipinas sinatawag siyang graham cracker. Dito sa US iba kasi tinatawag namin siyang graham cracker. Kasi pag pupunta ka ng store, magtatanong ka kung meron ba silang graham cracker, hindi nila maintindihan yun. So, we call this graham cracker, not a graham cracker. So, just for the FYI, guys. So, yun po ang tawag namin yan dito. Tsaka wala kami makikitang graham talaga dito. Ito talaga makikita namin. And we call this one graham cracker. Okay, so let's guys join me to make or bake this graham cracker. Oh no, I'm sorry. Mango float. Nawala na sa isip ko. Okay, be with me. Po guys, mix ko na po lahat yung cream, yung gatas at saka yung vanilla pudding. To make it thicken naman siya. Pero kailangan ko pa siya i-shake konti. Tsaka na-slice ko na yung mango. Ito na po yung graham cracker ko. So, the next step is magle-layered na po tayo. Ito na po siya guys. So, nag-first layer na po tayo. Naglagay ako ng graham cracker. This one in a mango. So, next step, we're gonna put another second layer. Maglagay tayo ng graham cracker na naman. Okay, ito na po siya. Naglagay na ako ng graham cracker. And then, next step is maglalagay naman tayo nito. Itong cream. Then, mango. And then, so on and so forth po. Tsaka, ipapakita ko po sa iyo mamaya yung finished product ko. Magka-crush muna ako ng graham cracker. So, yun ang gagawin ko mamaya. Then, see you in a little bit. There you go, guys. Ito po yung finished product na gawa ko. Simply mango float lang naman to siya. So, there's nothing fancy on it. But it tastes good for sure. Kasi na-try ko na din to before. Everybody loves it naman. Basta mga sweet. So, ito na po siya. Mango float. So, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator para mas lalo siyang magano yung ano niya, yung flavor niya. So, ito na po siya. Hoping they will like it. May bisita kasi ako this Tuesday. So, ito yung yung dessert namin. Yan po. So, hoping they will like it daw. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share and comment. So, ito na po siya. And thanks everyone. Bye y'all.